So I was recently given an appliance to do a product review on. They also sent me an extra one to give away, and I am so thrilled about this because it is just wonderful. I have been using this so much and I really love it. So it's called Geek Chef, and it is a 4-in-1 appliance. The basic appliance is a small stand mixer that comes with 3 different attachments. I'll show you those in a minute. And then you can also add different accessories to it, such as a food processor, a mincer or like a meat grinder, and then also a blender. It comes in a stainless color or black or red, and the housing is cast aluminum, so it's not plastic on the outside, and the bowl is stainless steel. It has 7 different speed settings, and then it also has a pulse function. And what I like about it most is that it is very small. I have a small kitchen. I tend to use little hand mixers and small food choppers to do most of my cooking tasks. However, when they asked me to do a product review and I saw how small this was, which is what I like about it, I said, send it to me. I am definitely going to give this a try. And you can see how much counter space it takes up. It's just a little bit wider than a can opener or my SodaStream machine. So I just want to show you a few of the ways I've been using it, and we'll start here with the stand mixer. Now I'm going to use the whisk function to make some mayonnaise. So the stand mixer comes with a beater, a dough hook, and a whisk, and a pouring shield. So we'll make the mayonnaise with the whisk, and I love how this goes around the outside edges of the bowl, so I don't have to continually scrape it, even though I did a little bit. So I went ahead and added the eggs and started to proceed to add a little bit of oil along with the other things that I love to put in mayonnaise, and in just a few minutes it had a beautiful consistency and it was just wonderful. Really made the mayonnaise so easy to make. It also comes with a pouring shield to help keep things from splattering out, or like dry ingredients too, from going everywhere. So now I'll show you the food processor. It comes with a few different blades. So the first thing I did was make chow chow, and the food processor attachment goes right here in the middle. Each attachment has its own little special area that you have to uncover to attach it. So it handled the cabbage great, and it was small, would be perfect to make coleslaw with, like a southern coleslaw. Of course, I'm making chow chow, so it was perfect. And then I had to add some onions and peppers and things like that to my chow chow as well, and it handled it great. It has a 500-watt motor. And I also used it for grating cheese. I did have to cut my block of cheese in half because, like I said, this is a smaller appliance, but that's not a big deal, and it handled it just fine. And now for the mincer. I used this for grinding meat, and it comes with 2 separate sizes. I like to use the coarse for grinding meat. And you attach it right in the front. So you'll just pull off that little part there, and you can just twist this in. So I cut down my lamb. I'm making lamb burgers, and I just wanted to make it a little bit more manageable for the little grinder here, and it worked beautifully. I've been making a lot of lamb burgers lately. And now for the blender. And the blender compartment is on the very end, and I've used this a lot of times to make soup, and it just does a great job. So for this giveaway, you will receive one Geek Chef 4-in-1 appliance plus the attachments that go with it, such as the food processor, the blender, and the food mincer. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell off to the right of the subscribe button so that you will receive notifications from my channel. And then let me know down below the video which attachment you liked best about the 4-in-1 Geek Chef appliance. So in 2 weeks from the upload of this video, I will use a computer selector to randomly pick one winner from the comments that are left below this video. This giveaway is limited to people who live in the continental United States. So sorry about that, but shipping would be way too much out of the country. So, however, you may be able to find this online in places like Amazon. I'll leave some links below the video if you would like to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck to you all. Have a beautiful day.